Many of you watching first got into investing during the pandemic, and many of you chose crypto as your asset class, your go-to place to invest. Why not? It's a little regulated, and you've heard that quite a few made millions by getting in on the new token. But I'm here to say that investing in cryptocurrency is not actually investing. Regardless how legit you think this favorite crypto is, the market is so unregulated. I wouldn't be surprised if the entire market was a giant Ponzi scheme. Crypto is an investment because of the nature of crypto in general. You won't ever, for a second, own any percentage of the crypto as a company. You own some random token or coin that goes up or down based purely on hype and whatever trust you have in the founders. The idea of owning a crypto makes no sense as an investment. You don't own anything tangible, regardless of what the community and the founders promise with their roadmap. Basically, a roadmap is a laid out plan which may or may not come true. And if they never came up with anything on the roadmap, you can't really state that this crypto is a scam. There's so much legal disclaimers and work in their documents, they can basically do anything with your money and you're shit out of luck if nothing comes out of it. Crypto is a giant game of hot potato. You buy, you sell at a higher price, and the last one stuck with the token is screwed. And it's all legal. Many crypto aren't scams if they fail or fall short of their promises. They just failed. Something so out there can fail. There's no surprise. But then we see everywhere that it's a scam if it fails. But most likely they're not. You just backed the wrong horse. The crypto market is basically a giant GoFundMe campaign for thousands of crypto projects. When people think crypto, they think of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all those big players. But most crypto investors are looking for 500% returns or more from the newest crypto project. They want to ride the meme coins hype and hope Elon Musk says something about their project. This isn't anything new. This is the same as gambling or investing in penny stocks. There are no fundamentals behind crypto except hype, wild promises, an unregulated market, and memes to keep people pumping money into the whole thing. The pandemic got people into thinking about their money. But unfortunately, a lot of that money went to speculating into crypto. So what are your thoughts? What's your favorite crypto? Comment below. And as always, take care of your money.